Anna, the face behind Fun and Forth. I'm also a classroom teacher in Northern British Columbia, Canada. As a fellow classroom teacher, I understand the frustrations that you feel when it seems like you just don't have the right resources to get your job done. I also understand the struggles you have to find that balance between classroom life and home life. Through my resources, teachers just like you can tackle large amounts of content with complete, easy-to-use units. Through inquiry-based approaches, hands-on learning experiences, and collaboration, students and teachers can go deeper with the curriculum. I created Fun and Forth to help you find ways to reclaim your time and to inspire deep learning in your students. Let me be your supportive colleague. Let me be your guide as you travel through this busy and stressful profession we call teaching. You can use my resources with confidence that they are high quality and will benefit both you and your students.